Prosterio, streamlining tech talent discovery for project managers. Faster than ever before. Prosterio offers authentication, chat assistance, data extraction from CV/PDFs, and RAG implementation based on the CV of your tech talent.
We are create this Prosterio project with Python, Snowflake, and Streamlit. And here I'm going to overview the tech stack and the flow of the application. But let me explain to you one by one. There's 3 things that I'm going to explain. This is our first features, which is actually the data extraction. First, when you're going to add your IT talent, you should have their CV PDF, and you uploaded the PDF into our systems, and we're going to implement the structure output with Mistral and LangChain. Once you already got the JSON, we also ask the user confirmation, and if it yes, they do the confirmation. We're going to chunk the text, the PDF into a text, and then we chunk it. We save it into database with a Snowflake. And actually, we are also saving the binary data, which is the PDF, and also the name of the employee, including their roles. So we are adding to our table employees and content chunks. That is our first features. And now I'm going to explain about our main features, which is the RAG implementation. So how it works, when user chat with our AI assistant and they're using prefix /RAG, we're going to call Cortex source service, which is implemented into our table content chunks, and our output is we got the relevant chunks, and we're apply that to our prompt system. Our prompt system, that the text that we already create to the LLM, is going to send to Snowflake Cortex complete function with the model Mistral large 2, and their output is we got the IT talent recommendation and the reason why they're chosen and the project details. So that's our 2 main features, but we not forget about how engaging with chatting with LLM. So we do also the AI assistant can do other things than RAG, which is talk with the user, but relate to the project manager and IT, because we already asked our LLM using our prompt system to not answer something inappropriate and something dangerous. So just use something professional. Anyway, we are using our model Mistral from Grok. There's the reason why, because we want to implement stream through, so user can see every time the LLM giving us one by one words to answer. So that's all our features. And thank you. This is the ending of my video.